Yeah, six. How you doing tonight? Damn right, I'm flawless. Look how I look. I'm lush and I'm gorgeous. I'm awesome. I can't get enough of myself, man. I'm flawless. I look in the mirror. I crush on myself. Like damn, that's how you look. That's how you do. Damn, I'm so hot. I might just vapor. This is a lot. Damn you.
Hello there, lads, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so we are back with another slay, y'all. Okay, today is about this faux freckles look. Okay, I wanted to show you guys how I do this look, how I achieve it. If you're interested in this look and you've been wanting to know how to achieve this look, you know what to do. Keep on watching, because I always get you, like, you know, some simple tricks and tips on how to get the look that you want. Okay, so if you want to know how to achieve this look, keep on watching. If you're new here, my name is Gucci Patrick and you are welcome. Okay, so yeah, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe. Okay, make sure to give me a thumbs up. Okay, share this video and do not forget to hit the notification bell to know whenever I upload a new video. Okay, so until then, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Hello, welcome back where all the magic happens. So skin is fresh, skin is ready to go, and I'm gonna head to do my brows off camera. I've just outlined my brows and not filled it yet. We'll do that at the end of this look. So prepping my skin, I'm gonna head to use the Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic primer from Colourpop, and I'm using that to saturate around my face. And after that, I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Flawless Foundation, and I'm just applying that on my face, the right amount. Okay, nothing too much, right amount that fits my skin. As you can see, it's flawless. Okay, and after that, I am going into the e.l.f. Camo 16-hour Camo Concealer, and I'm applying that on the areas which I want to be highlighted. My nostrils, on my under eye, and all of the parts that you can see literally on there. And also I've gone ahead to use my Makeup Revolution banana setting powder to set in that concealer, after which I went in with the Makeup Revolution face powder, and I'm just dusting off the excess powder, and also at the same time applying the powder all over my face and on my neck. So moving ahead, I've gone ahead to use the Maybelline gel eyeliner. This is it's called the Studio Long Lasting Gel Eyeliner, and I'm just doing my eyeliner. I just want a really simple, natural looking eyeliner today. Nothing too bold or nothing too extra. Yeah, and after which I went in with my lashes off camera, which is the Sandy Glam lashes. After which I went in with my Nip and Fab contour palette, contoured my face, and also used the blush on there as on my cheekbone, as my brush. Afterwards, I've gone in with the Iconic Illuminator. This is a liquid illuminator. Just in case you don't know how to apply this, this is how you go. You want to just put dots on where you want to apply it, and then first of all use your fingers to damp it, allow it to get tacky and dry a little bit, and then go back with a brush, which I am doing right now, and just blend it. So I'm going back to my inner my waterline, and I'm putting that Maybelline gel liner in my waterline. Mind you, I'm using the Maybelline liquid eyeliner pen applicator to do this. Also, I want to go back to that Nip and Fab contour palette. Now it's time for the fake or for freckles look. So I'm using that brown shade, that darkest brown on there. You want to make it look dark brown just because you want to make it to look really natural. And I'm going into with that shade, and I'm just gonna start right now to do my fake freckles. So this is what I usually do. I go in with an applicator as sharp as that, and I begin to put little dots on my face, as you can see. Nothing too special or too, difficult about this. Everyone can do it. If you try, you can definitely do it. So I'm just going in, just the tiny dots on there until I'm satisfied with the amount of the freckles that I want, literally. And then I'm going back to my lip, and I'm using the gel cream liner from Colourpop. I can't remember the shade what this is, but I'm gonna leave it in the description box. This is such a really beautiful cream gel liner. I've been dying to do this lip combo, guys, for a really long time. I finally get to do it. Yeah. So I'm going to be using that lipstick from Colourpop. Is a collab for Saphir and Colourpop, and I'm going to be using it on my lips today. It's such a beautiful shade, giving me some sort of, vampy sort of look. I love it so much. And I'm going back to that liner just to top it up a little bit. And then going back to my brows, I'm just filling in where I've got spaces in between, just with a light hand, nothing too thick. Okay. And after which I'm going to go back and, sorry, I'm going to go in with my brow gel. This is just to brush out the hairs and just put them in place, not to make them look, bushy or all over the place. And finally, we're going to set this look with my Makeup Revolution fix and set. And yeah, that's the finished look, guys. I love this look so much overall, from the brows to the eyeliner to the lip to the freckles. Okay, that's it, and I'll see you on the next one.